Do you want to get your creative mind to work? By just designing a simple logo, you can earn a couple of $100 or even up to $1,000. In this video, we will show you how you can create and start making extra cash by submitting your logos to the following websites I am about to share with you. So wherever you are in the world, this side hustle is excellent, even for beginners like you with no experience. So don't go anywhere and make sure you watch to the end of this video so you won't miss out on the free tools I will be showing you today that would truly maximize your earning potential. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Today, we have websites that will get you paid by just designing logos for products, small businesses, or for a company. I know what you're thinking. How are you going to do this if you don't have any design skills? If you don't have any design experience but still want to make money, don't worry. I have 3 websites that will practically do all the work for you. First, I will introduce you to a website called 99designs.com. The designer site provides significantly more customization choices for both clients and designers. Here, you may see what I mean by clicking on the various tabs. It's more than just a place to make a logo. There's graphic design for websites and advertisements, illustrations for t-shirts and coffee mugs, and so on. To put it plainly, you can choose from a wider variety of services and possibilities on this platform. Start here by returning to their homepage. Please go down to the bottom of the page and click the Become a Designer option. And then, you just need to sign up for an account to get started. Let's proceed to the next website I will be presenting to you today, which is called logomyway.com. The name of this website itself suggests that it serves as a hub for businesses from all around the world to commission custom logos. You can enter logo contests and be discovered by different companies who are looking for logo creators. Now you know the ins and outs of how it all operates. When a business needs a logo, they may come here and have it designed. They'll get dozens of possibilities to choose from, and the corporation will pay the designer who submitted the winning entry. They can pick from more than 100 unique logo concepts created by skilled and imaginative designers from across the globe. That's why they're going to provide businesses with 100 different options for designs. You can get your hands on this anywhere in the world. All of the logos they've showcased here look fantastic, and you can find them in the page's footer. But we are here to make money, so scroll down until you see Logo Designers Generate Money, and click on that to get started. To create an account, you will first need to register an account here on this page by entering some of your basic information. But before we continue, please take a moment to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can see the best side hustles we have for you on this channel that you can do from home. Now, let's get back to the video. I wanted to show you something on the left before we go to the next website. The contest rewards range from $200 to $1,000. While it is unfortunate that there is so much rivalry on this platform, you should know that even a single consumer choosing your design can earn you hundreds of dollars. It is certainly a substantial sum of money in this case. The last site I'll show you guys today that will pay us is designcrowd.com. Of the 3 sites I've shown you, this one is the clear winner. DesignCrowd provides its users with a wide range of options unavailable on the other 2 sites. As a result, you won't be limited to making logos for a living but will have access to numerous other lucrative opportunities as well. Here you can see what I mean if you put your mouse on the word categories. You can get help with anything from branding to website design to WordPress design, and these are just some of the many options available on this site. The selection is practically limitless. If you click on Designers and then click on Logo Designers, you will see what I mean. Learn how much money others have made with this platform. It's a significant sum, you guys. It's a 6-figure deal for sure. as well as the reality that these folks come from different corners of the globe in search of financial stability. This guy from India ranked in a total of $277,000, and this person from Antarctica made $141,000. There are also designers from Macedonia, Pakistan, and the Philippines. Simply said, nations from all around the globe. Therefore, no matter where you are accessing our site from, you can rest assured that it will work properly. To begin using this site, simply sign up for an account by clicking the register button. Afterward, after filling out the form, select the designer option. Now I will show you websites that have free tools that will help you generate income. PickMoney.com is the first site that can take care of a lot of the grunt work for you. As far as layout goes, this website is up there with the best of them. This website, however, is not free, but does provide a 7-day trial period. So you can use it to try to make little money and then put that money back into this site because it doesn't cost much. You can find a wide variety of available templates on this site. So it would be a great idea to use it for design like on Design Crowd. How are these websites working for you so far? Let us know what you think in the comments below. We would love to know your thoughts in the comments. Let's not keep you waiting. Let's jump back into the video. The next free tool I have for you is logomaker.com. This website is ideal for logo design as it offers the most commonly used option. Here, let me demonstrate. By the way, Logomaker is a zero-cost service. As you can see on the left, many different shapes and text options are available. Additionally, it boasts right here that there are over 1 million visuals to choose from. And now, after you type something into the search bar, it will display some of the results. Moreover, you have many choices here on the website. So whatever your potential clients want, this site has the answer. For instance, if you are designing a logo for a food business, check out how many results there are on this website when you enter the word food. This is completely out of your mind. The options available to me are practically limitless. You can make a lot of changes to any of them after you pick them. Logomaker is a great tool to quickly and easily create a wide variety of logos. Lastly, I'd like to introduce you to a platform that is undoubtedly one of the greatest available and that you may have heard of. The website I'm talking about is canva.com. Simply sign up for a new Canva account to get started. A sign up button will appear in the upper right corner. Click it, create an account, and you'll be ready to go. Now you will be able to see for yourself how useful Canva is. It's very easy to use and the possibilities are endless. It will let you create simple, seamless graphics even if you don't have much experience. Now it's your turn to check out the sites I suggested and see if any of them work for you. Money can be made anyway, so don't worry. Also, using the resources I have provided, you don't have to have any background in design to get started. Have you tried designing a logo yourself? Which of the tools I've shared made the work easier for you? Let us know your experience with our money-making method today by sharing your journey below. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Good luck and see you in our next video.